What we do here is go back, 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 back.
Hey guys, and welcome back. Well, Jesse Williams is in the news. Um, Jesse is going to have to pay more spousal support, and it's in the tune of $50,000 a month. Now, according to a report from News, Jesse Williams has to pay a more substantial sum of money for child and spousal support to Aaron Drake Lee, his ex-wife. Now, the organization claims that Grey's Anatomy Cutie has to pay Aaron an amount of $50,695 per month. Now, initially, the court ordered Jesse to pay Aaron $33,242 per month. The amount has increased by $17,000. The documents obtained by the organization stated that Aaron would receive half of Jesse's residual funds from his work with Grey's Anatomy from September 2012 until April 2017. Now, additionally, Williams must pay his ex-wife $50,000 in attorney fees. Now, according to a source close to Jesse, of course, Jesse would rather not pay the large sum of money. I know Jesse wouldn't. But it's his kids and his ex-wife. He still loves Aaron and will do what it takes to make sure everything runs smoothly from now on. Now, as for Drake Lee, the court order states she must pay for their family residence, including things like their home equity line, property taxes, as well as their mortgage. And while that might not seem like a lot of money, it depends entirely on the size, age, and location of the property. Yes. Now, as you may already know, last year, Aaron and Jesse broke up in the early part of 2017 and filed the official court documents in April 2017 after nearly 5 years of marriage together. Now, at the beginning of their relationship, Aaron and Jesse were doing great. She was there for him through thick and thin. They started dating while Jesse was a teacher in New York. But, after he got in Hollywood and he got brand new on the girl, I'm sure. They currently share 2 children, Sadie and Maceo, who are 4 years and 2 years old, respectively. In September, they reached a joint custody agreement. Since the end of their marriage, Jesse started dating the actress Minka Kelly, whose Instagram account is linked above. Well, hey, it's cheaper to keep her. And it's so unfortunate. It's just so unfortunate. I look at, she's not the only one, but Kevin Hart and his first wife. I mean, she said she was there with him thick and thin, and then when he makes it, how about he has to get a trophy wife? And this is the same thing Jesse is doing. He had, she wasn't. I mean, I even saw on a tabloid where they had celebrities with ugly spouses, and she was up there. I mean, it's nothing wrong with this girl. She's not ugly. She's plain. I mean, she's not with the makeup and the boob job and the butt and all of that, but there was nothing wrong with her looks when he was a teacher. But, and I mean, it's unfortunate. I don't know if they make them do that. Okay, you got to get a trophy wife. She's not going to be. And Steve Harvey did the same thing, So it's unfortunately, they were good enough for him when they were standing by him, and standing by him when they were pursuing their dream. But when the dream happened, they let them go. They're not good enough. Well, at least Erin is getting her money. I mean, Steve Harvey, I'm not going to get on him, but he took the child and didn't give the woman everything. It's unfortunate. But they'll understand that it's cheaper to keep her. And you got to pay the cost to be the what? The boss. All right. That's all for me. As always, thank you for watching my video. I hope you will like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, in parting, y'all, always be blessed. Bye. While all the time that I was loving you, you were busy loving yourself. I would stop breathing if you told me to. Now you're busy loving someone else. 11 years out of my life. Besides the kids, I have nothing to show. Wasted my years, a fool of a wife. I should have left your black ass a long time ago. And I ain't gonna cry.